Esithubeni with u-Kwanele. Namhlanje siye ekhaya litsha, ekhaya bazaar. Siya ku Credo. Credo is a producer, beat maker and a DJ. Mjita udlala Afrotech. Uthi Musman uplay Kofi utama wakhe Musman. That is one guy who inspires him in music industry. Ufuna ukuzibona kula level na mjita.
Like you were my guest.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
So like I think like now I feel try and and okay, I'm just introduce it or like
Yeah.
So how would you introduce yourself and anything like born like video like who's Credo?
So incredible. There's nothing much to say, I would say, but it's just a guy, a Kulile, I would say a Kapa, but my parents are originating from a Lady Frey Falpanga. So now I originally was born here. So Ikamalam yung api fan in Kewan. I have a middle name I don't use much. Yeah.
Middle name,
like
listen guess.
No, this guess. No, this guess. No, the Englishman. Ikamalam is on a polo pra.
Zanot all.
Damn,
bro. Yakfanele Kamala Konjaya. What am I saying this?
No, Lonage, I haven't decided but I have not found it, but I think there's a so the process must be but I was thinking of full father. Zanil father no loan. So appearing so Zanil father, but the bawel father.
You believe however like Ikama like Lia like Yakwas okay, I will land the Kamala like.
Yes, you can, but sometimes it doesn't have to be like it just special ngabazali. But in a way now uli or I don't even know that babona long to bona or because mnane personality I'm currently like forever has been. I don't even remember fighting him.
That's what I'm asking, bro.
I don't even.
That's what I'm asking because I feel like energy, bro. You are that guy. Like,
yeah. So like in anything in the guy, like I would be seen as a cool greater. There was that era le yabastanguli waklatwane ikasezithile yabo. So I had friends. We were gangsters at that time. We never knew anything, but but not those. I was always behind. Like that's how cowardly my character was at the time.
Yeah.
So I've been pumamva, but you can't bone at show. The most Galian pie again. So the character I wanted to be normal. If Yali me, I always try to find one of a middleman to try and resolve. But okay, instead of trying to fight physically or just
let's
yeah.
So was not all basically.
Yeah, I don't wanna like buy bona. That's a specialty of Bazar. I'm a teenager. I'm so good teenager. Out of the blue. That's what I saw when you London. I don't know about your band, but this thing works. Even on an argument, just typical example with my mother. What is it? I knew again. Now it's either one of the two things. If I am angry enough, I will tell her, I will excuse myself. Or I will just look at her and then she will feel dumped because I won't answer. And then that's the worst game alone. So I rather it's either I excuse myself and then I shake and then I pull in the work. Then I'll come back and apologize or do whatever means try to correct the London. So
you always try to be like a bigger person.
Yeah.
Damn.
Always.
There's something about Ramakama, bro. Like
especially.
But why did you choose to appear again like?
Up here where it was like so now apparently I'm the oldest grandson. So I say to my mom was like she's no more but I grew up saying mother to my grand. So sister makhulu while bendizalwa she was like hey I uphiwe man. There was an argument that hey uphiwe yabakhona uphiwe like how can you wavela wathi ke since mama mina engimachaya isituko sakhe yabo makhulu wami engimachaya kodwa man aphiwe amachaya kodwa khona abesitsho lo nqamela eyasikhathi elaxesha kayo nomama she didn't understand because mama njembe endizala umakhulu wami nesister yakhe they are more wiser bona. My mother doesn't understand because she's very young at the time. So ended up using that appeal, and then I think after some few years before I was named Polo, went to Eastern Cape as the early age. I don't even remember, but early age. And then Utata, Makhulu, was still alive at the time. And then Mama inazanga, but they took me back. Siyombona makayobona appearing up. Smile la moya wa papa because the first time at that time. And the nigga didn't hesitate. Asked the name appeal. I think, I for me, it's not appeal.
It's not appeal.
I'm appeal. It was 14. Yeah. Abantu basezindayeni ke they never like aboyiswa yinto like if uthi makwenza into ngoku pha didn't even take it 2 minutes to think that when that's when I never got away from that name. So that was the name. If you remember the time that you appeal, and then few years later, okay, just to visit there, and then the nigga was like, that's before he died. I was like, I went apha kum uza noxola xa upha uzawubizwa ngelo hlobo apha kum uza noxola grew up and then ndikhula ke mnjita said understand ba akaboni ngamehlo sekula age ba yena ubetha koma 98 ezasikhala
Time lakho
utata kaloku umakhulu sebetha kula age uye kaloku lunthile eza noxola sebetha kula age so sekufika isikhathi sakhe uba makavale na ke ngoku ndiba ne-dress ke ngoku mana 6 7 8 dreadlocks yabona qala nani dreadlocks so umjida mose sengazi ngelizwi he knows that i-character yam mna ndingulo mntu andiyo le pone pha ezilalini kulula for umntana ahambe yocela okanye asikelwe if mna ndiyabizwa ina mntana usikelwa ndithi mfuno yam that was my character bra so umjida wayesendazi man abastrong abantu abangabonisi ndiyazi ke kuvule kunyuke ntoni xa umuntu ayangoba blind but when it comes uba akwazi it's either noba ukufila njani touching or but I think years isebenza kakhulu so umsha nyumi then kwafika lesikhathi kuba avale then like everything went normal but I kept the name even though they never changed birth yam okay walifakwa eligama zange ngilifakwa but I think I still need to bandilifaka because ukulifaka social media it's not enough for me it's not enough so I feel like sometime along the way
do you think there was a reason why I said like there's a conflict like with family so like he named you because sometimes like he wants you to be like the one who's gonna bring peace with family like it's just a name.
I think mna abazali ndingabafanisa nenantsika bra nezilwanyana not in a bad way. I think silwanyana can sense something that will happen. If there's gonna be danger, I think in a wild, it's basically National Geographic. Inkomos they move on a zebra. It's not like they are moving just only because of food. They know that there's gonna be a storm as so early as possible, let's just move, even if it's just up just because we are giving birth every day. So let's move to a safer place. So I feel like nabazali banana instinctive one. I think there was before the modern times. Parents okanye ugogo they knew umntana onzima esuswini okanye oza omnithiyo just by walking never even doing in contact naye but they knew
so I meet
and then even the girl is not even aware bro. You get me so I feel like it was the same thing seeing something that will still happen while it's not happening because you cannot just name a person. I always feel like that even if mabazali bakunime njani kabi or whatever. But I'm sure there's a meaning, maybe not understanding behind. So I feel like I saw that okay, this tall u-Kwanele can resolve things not only by the things that he has at the time. No, it's not about. It's about the energy that he possesses. Okanye influence yakhe xa ekhona yena mhlambi ubani bezawunyuka kakhulu but ke xa ekhona yena ubani angayicinga imicimbi ndiyonyuka ovela yekele kubani. So the less people bekwazi umithana the high chances uba into engakhawulezi ilungiseke. So I feel like mhlawumbi wayifila loo nto okanye wayibona sick and ke nguzange ayishare ke ngoku by the time because sometimes into xa uyishare it's easy to buy my own share ke ingabi senzeka but xa uthule ngayo vele qoma just give us one word for the whole meaning of life elomjeni. he gave me the Holy Sanatol, and then
Did you believe in dreams? Like
I did, bro.
Like to believe as a way okay or like Sindezi.
I do believe that high school friends will abanye babo close. At least I think I had 5 friends and I'm close now. If Nandi pupil into repeatedly 2 weeks, I have to throw it.
Yeah.
I was scared done it art, even if I did as subjects, but the art one I never like but I always had a pen, a pencil, and the note is extra special just if I have something in my mind. I think it was used for to ukubona mase xa umntana ephazamisekile yiloo nto yenzekileyo xa umzali wakhe mhlawumbi eswelekile because nami bendiswelekelwe ngumzali mamam, but yenzeka laa nto ndisemncinci 8.
I understand.
Yeah, but bakunyanzelekile bandixelele.
Yeah, bro.
And ke ngoku kunyanzelekile uba ndithini, even though ndandizange emangcwabeni at the time because ndashiyeka ndihlala nomakhulu wam, but some I felt it, even if noba bayithetha loo nto uba ndizi-understand laa mzuzu, but I knew nawo abantu bebuya ukubani.
Yeah, olidala
I understand, naku umakhulu naku ubani, but kaloku so ke babona ke okay there was a change ke ngoku in terms of behavior. They were like, okay, first thing first, nonathanda uyenza loo nto, ngithanda ukuwatcha cartoons. What else? Adrawa loo mntu leyo, basimnika ii-crayons, betha into esingayaziyo but uyayenza le nto yenza.
Uyadrawa, bro?
Yeah, I like to draw, man. I think I have some few pictures, but I think one of them, no one else can post on Facebook, but a long time ago, bro.
Yeah.
So that ke ngoku izophinda ibonakale kakuhle xa ndise high school, grade 8, grade 9. But if bendiphuphe izolo uba ndise i-Ibiza into ke like umzekelo eziblack angekho familiar nazo, but I knew that there were bigger stages that exist even makuphi. Even if I was not exposed to, because internet at that time I wasn't much involved with, so but I could tell you if I can see Black Hole, I could draw Black Hole. I had like this is a bit X's, they 4. That one hand is in the pocket, obviously. The specs, I draw him. I have witness in it, bro. Like I used to do that. Yeah.
But why did you choose music, bro?
Out of all of it, né?
Yeah.
I think music is because of music. It's way quicker to express. I thought because music and the painting, follow under art younger, but I chose music because it was way quicker and I could express feelings way faster
and better.
But yeah, because I think mnandinqina indlebe yam kunamehlo am. And I think indlebe yam is more stronger, yabo.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, painting wise, I can express how I feel, whatever, how expressing how you feel, but now instead of drawing, how about sound, like or listening to something? I think it's more faster. Okay, yeah, color le sound. Okay, how do I feel? Oh man, I think this is way easier. That's when I shifted. Not like per se, like I don't believe if anything now.
You will say
yeah. So I just shifted focus. Okay, from art. I think 2011, 12. That's the time I was familiarizing myself with the house music. Listening to the best DJs at the time. Listening.
And are you already Credo that time?
I'm still up here, bro, at that time.
Yeah.
I got Biko Landoba, okay, I will still
need a stitch name.
Yeah, I got Biko, I don't know, like I was still even DJing because parties, the 21st, 60th, Kamakulu, using the laptop or a computer.
Do you remember the first song that made you fall in love with music?
Yes, man. I can't run away from that. It's a guy called Brazo Africa.
Yeah.
It's African Sax.
Yeah.
It's a very popular song. It's Igul.
Yeah.
Igul is just a normal deep house. Yeah. So then there was a crew. I was like it doesn't swim popular level. Yeah. So I started listening to it. Got influenced my friends because they don't know I'm too low. And then in school,
did you also influence Upis?
Upisa, uBhiza ndidibene naye at a very later stage bra.
Yeah.
Nangona sikhula singayuyanga amandla yomculo.
Yeah.
Okanye singenayo ibinayo la 931. Yabo akaklikhi la way yabo because uBhiza ebengahlali ebekhulele apha ne because time yayikhulele apha imane sekunye kasi kumama wakhe njalo njalo. So we didn't have that bond at an early age. That's the only reason. Okay, la nto mane travelisha mna ke ngihleli apha endaweni eyi-1 and yingi yo visitor kwezinye indawo lapha endlini okanye apha ekasi. So yeah, that's when I thought, okay, the name came later. Yeah, it came later because I was still confused. Credo came about. Since who is the icon, who is the best DJ for me? That's when the name came.
Who's the best DJ?
The best DJ for me it's Blackoff, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Since it's Blackoff, so I cannot be Blackoff.
Yeah.
What first thing I asked myself, that's how I was trying to kangeligam.
Yeah.
What is it that you mix with a Blackoff so that is Wamandi?
Yo, this guy loves
bro. So what is it that you can mix with Blackoff? Because Blackoff is raw, man.
Yeah.
Movie smell raw. So you don't really mix any coffee. So I was like, okay.
Also, I'll call black one.
Exactly. Cream. I was alone at the time, but creating the name. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Cream. Okay. The second name. Okay. No, I cannot just be Cream. I can't. Okay, I will hold on to Cream.
Yeah.
I hold on to Cream, and then after holding on to Cream, and then I asked myself, let me just go to a dictionary this time and ask that, okay, what word can I use that describes if someone has a character, if someone has a type of character, like it's very hard for, I would not say yes, I'm fixed minded when I want to do something. It's very hard for me to be open, like the focus and believe, okay, I have faith, okay, no, I will take this child wherever, I will do APC as instructed. So what word can I use? That's Credo, you know. That's the meaning of Credo. I'm not sure if Credo is an English word or what, but Credo, that's when I was like, Credo. And then I go to my cheese, I go, guys, no man, I think I found my stage name. Yeah, the stage name. I was like shy because the was much. That's what hey, brah. Hey, in second year, when you guys are no cream creator, to you don't go. Hey, go here. The fair to the charmers, the Uzi, didn't bound in can't see from my Yamaka and come here, what upon in please, I again got Tibana's carton. Yeah. I feel like Shanghai, no pizza, the pizza man. Now look at my lamb fat. Upiza ngabina no way. Yabo. Hey, if confidence will come. What the shape of milk man. It's not like a usual name like your DJ
name.
Don't own because your mindset. So the shape so I feel pressure, like very unnecessary pressure. So I think peer pressure man ngabalekana ya. So did you go pizza? Satibana ke lapho sidibana yona la timer le yayisinedile when it comes in yayine equipment. But that's born okay. We are curious. We want to learn FL Studio. That's the pressure going on. Hey, because now I have access quick program. You're going to do and I will help.
That means now you're gonna release music.
Yeah. Now. So now I just want people to see this name. Hey, and move the next day. Need pizza, and I'll change the camera. About pizza, you know anything? Hey, like I'll tell the camera will be zeal. I don't know Powell or Manuel. Ever? Yeah, if you don't cream Credo. Yeah. Hey, other pizza. Hey, I'm fed. Say how confused. Yeah, you fed. Hey, at eating the art, let's shell in our bunny. Said some to eating. So what of it? Let us create just a group. Meanwhile, you start saying, invest in the stage name. We create a one word, and then we all have an input. We create those tracks, and then we follow the procedures. Okay, we did that, produced for about, I don't know how many years, that sound. Then I came back to the name. Then while we are coming back, I use YouTube. YouTube a lot, everything. YouTube even recognizes me. Then okay, these are the first people you search. It's Takap or Sanem Shen, Shimza, Black Coffee. Always you search these people. Okay, these people much late. That's when I started following the playlist. got influenced. I was like, the right name is the first one.
Mm.
Because of seeing the atmosphere there, man, my name is okay.
Yeah.
My name was okay. Why would I want to change the name? Never.
Yeah.
Then as I came back and then tried to again. So like umchita lo besifuna igama lakhe Mr. G, RIP, bra. So like, and then we never got back, we never got any setbacks. Yeah, we were sad, okay, about shit. But in terms of music, I would say it's love, bro. Love is very powerful when you love. Like how in any way, I don't think it's very easy for what we call That's the only thing. And then Pizza started hustling for a laptop on his own. I'm starting to, like, even my mother assisting because yakubona uthanda umculo, uyakuthanda, like uyakuthanda. On assist akaphangela azikhathi ndisemncane man, get fine. Nansi laptop ngani okanye computer, nansi speaker. Ngabela room ezikhathi I still stay with tamkhulu wami pha, but andikwazi ukunxilela. I have time funeka ngibambe nge-earphone njalo njalo. Manje siyakubhizi. Laptop yami i-computer imoshakala. So when I'm feeling producer, I have to wait for busy, whatever.
Because now
I don't have, yeah. So those are the challenges I had, but I feel like
bro, like
all of these is even now.
Yeah. Extension yam intoni yenza uShimza be special kangaka bro?
Shimza, bro. Shimza is a dope person. Shimza mna currently I would say, besides DJing, besides producing, Shimza is a creative. Shimza is a Shimza is a great event organizer.
Exactly, bro.
For me currently, as a Afro House Tech DJ, international music, he is the best, bro. He has to be there because no man, we can't just producing umculo and playing umculo is just a minor thing, bro.
I don't know how to DJ. I tried to DJ, but like I did virtual DJ.
Oh, virtual DJ, yeah.
Yeah, bro. So I only know virtual DJ. But I always see Shimza, bro, like as a effects bro. Do you think like there's a way he's not live, bro? And like it's something I create like, and then like
Shimza, I think when I'm to answer you, like honestly speaking, I won't do any favors. Shimza is a dope DJ, bro. The if you have access, you knew almost there was that one kid in any video game, Mr. Twin. It has to be doper than us.
Yeah, because yeah, bro.
So it's the same thing as Shimza. Shimza once had, I think it's either YNI access is city chase. Immediately. Wow, but I think you're going because I was Zalwa usekunendlu yakho. But qala kokwenu, manje sakwazi tavern, manje sakwazi tavern, uzama imali ethile, ukwazi uzithengela ezo latest city chase of that time. Have them ending. That means you haven't stopped playing outside, but you have enough time to what? Practice because you are not that busy at that time, but you are bandwin, and you event. I think he had the power, had the influence when it comes. Street bash, bro.
Yes, bro. Like, I feel like you guys are dope when it comes to that, bro.
You're shy.
Like, I know you guys used to like host the events, bro.
Yeah, man.
And I feel like you're dope because of it. So I feel like a direction that you could also take, bro.
Yeah, man. Yes. Event, but it's if you don't turn on because it's very frustrating when you plan and then ending up with So that's one of the things, one of the characteristics of Shimza. Otherwise, DJing and it's very dope also there. But when it comes to be able make the space, create a space where people will feel like they needed something, but bebengayaz. That means udibanisa abantu bayavuya babedibene, but bebengayiqondi uba kuzoba mnandi olu hlobo bazogeyina le nto bayigeyinileyo. Yeah, it's just a party, you can tell, but udibene ngubani pha? What will happen after networking end to end? Start creating a space. I think hayi bra kakhulu bra.
You get a call from Shimza and he's saying, yo, Credo, I want you to come and play a cool Njaya.
Yeah.
What are you playing? Which song are you opening with, bro? And what song are you gonna close with? Like, what vibes are you bringing, guys?
Like it's a once-off call. Like he wants to. I'm here to answer now.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, Kwela fit. Yo. Hey, bro. I will try to find any song. It's not about any song, but for me, it's about a vocal that I will open it. The vocal that a vocal that will open it, regardless of the instrumental song. It's Huma Sekele, We Are One. That vocal has to be on the start of everything I
Yeah.
because it speaks a lot, bruh. Like a lot of remixes were made there. The song doesn't matter, but the vocals of that Huma Sekele.
We Are One.
We Are One.
So is that the energy you are bringing? Like you wanna bring people together?
Yeah,
like
I'm just trying to cut anything that is unnecessary that will make us not feel the space is right.
Yeah, bro.
Through music.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying from the people who make things easier for me. Because if I was painting, I would take time. People would be bored. I'm just making an example. I'm not saying painting is boring. It's not.
Yeah.
But it takes time. Once it patience are cool. But I know that there's someone who's ringing or teta ngale ndlela or teta his lyrics. Nancy time the late and then they bega yona pa and then ekugqibeleni yo. No, ekugqibeleni is always hype. Try to leave people like on a hype note because my journey it's not uniform. Like ngiyanyuka, yes. I don't want to say it's not constant. Yeah, it's not uniform or constant. Iyanyuka but not like slowly, because when I can slowly constant you can predict me, man. But when I say go on a graph, man, I don't want to unborn like pin it, so to go pin it, so every time they man, but ayidlala ixesha akufani atheni energy nje, so awungazi kuzokwenzeka ngalo. So that's what I try to create.
Tell me about the art of DJing, bro. Like what do you feel about like the DJs and work, bro? And do you think they respect the art, and do they know about what does it mean to be a DJ?
It's a big question, but yeah, but I'll have to andiveze indlela endibona ngayo nami, yabo, because yanike platform man. So one of the things eyenza ba izinto zichange, bra, yeah, technology, yabo. Technology is way advanced. You can even play way better than me.
For real? I don't think so, Njaya.
Trust me. You just have to know which things to focus on.
Yeah.
And ufunde within less than two months. You'll be dope.
So you think I can learn DJ namhlanje and then go and play for maybe rands like?
Maybe bro, I feel like if you ngumuntu okhawuleza ufunda, if you uzixelele ulanto uzayenza, it's like if ungafaka emotweni sangumaqhuba uzawungena emotweni, but you know emotweni kukho i-pedal eziyi-3 if you know it's a manual car. You know there's a gear, you know there's a steering wheel, you know kuyasayinwa somewhere. Yeah, signing in don't might come later, but you know there's an ignition, corner stick of nose pedal, so for safety belt. That's the first thing. You know the basics. There's a car now, okay, I will tell you, start the car. Start the car is on. Okay, press the left pedal, which is the clutch. Take your hand from Uiti. Like, that's how, it's like you're learning same thing, because the latest software can make things easier for you. That's why.
So I find the vinyls.
You vinyls, my guy. I do vinyls. You can never. You are vinyls. You are. Vinyls, are very brutal.
Yeah.
They are brutal for even those people who are from that time of vinyl.
Yeah. Because I always like when I watch interviews, there's thoughts like Ezimo DJ and all that. They always mention like vinyls. Vinyls. If you can play vinyls, that means you're a proper DJ.
You vinyls, my bro. Me, I see. If they struggle, those ones who were born there at the time of that era, who are we? because technology, yeah, they are sensitive.
Yeah.
There's a collection egciniwe somewhere, or I think it's maintained. I'm not sure if it's sensitive, it's a build, not sure. But if they are building them, I don't think they are advancing or bafake izinto, because the word vinyl means tradition. So if you ufake izinto i-system intoni, then you're gonna ruin the thing. That's why ihleli nje. That's why you come across people ezithile, they know who to call when it comes to vinyl, because they know la muntu nama-creator 15. Yeah, and when you buy that thing, it's very expensive now. The disc, the way it's very expensive. If you have those CTJs away, like the techniques away, you're a dope guy. Like yo.
Yeah, bro.
So that's how, like, I think that's one way they can have a barrier. Not trying to classify anything, heavy barrier between us now and them. And then from them, they used to play with CDs, né? And then before CDs, there was cassette. It's cassette, CD, vinyls, or vinyls are always there, both, right through. It's just that from from cassette, the CD, USB, it's USB now. I'm sure there's gonna be AI now. You just name it.
There's AI, bro.
Yeah, so now USB, there's gonna be time because someone okanye umuntu uzovela ati phone yakhe ati Siri or whoever AI, I wanna play whatever song.
I want iset ekanje nakanje ezobadrive abantu kanje nakanje nakanje.
It can do it.
Izenzele izichuzele ingoma ngokwazi.
They can do it. It's just a matter of people don't have time to. That thing needs to be studied.
Aren't you scared, bro, of AI?
I was thinking about this just 3 days, 4 days back. I'm not, man.
Yeah. You do feel like already?
But I'm not against it because it can help in a way, Chonga. For an example, if you are artist, you just decided you want to be an artist, AI can make things easy for you, man. When it comes production-wise, mixing for you, the only thing you just pay subscription. Simple as that, and have your account, you will get everything you want there. If you say, AR, please, I want a song that will just do the English there. You are done. You can. And it was this song. Which song? There's this big song. I hear it by the answer AI. I was like,
did it hurt you?
No, I was like, no, man. I'm not. Besides hating me, but I was like, the song is so simple, guys. It can be made like by anyone. If you like Mzakelo, we as producers are AI. If someone comes to tell me, I will do that. They call us ghost producers.
Yeah,
we are ghost producers. No one must know me. But people who are was fans who know, I don't want to use the word fan. People who support me, they will know the sound. Okay. Credo, those are your weapons, my guy. Even if you did not write that.
Did you know my secret talent, bro? I think that's my secret talent. Like to tell a producer, okay, can you produce engoma? I think I'm very good when it comes to that, bro. But like if you say, okay, my hands I can't, bro.
Yeah,
I can't.
Even on a bigger scale, bro. There was a podcast when Kenaiva ago. I think I don't know how many years back or something. He's saying those big artists, for example, Rihanna, Beyonce, whoever. Before Rihanna sings ingoma, there is a light Rihanna existing. Because I'm showing how Beyonce how to sing before Beyonce can actually sing.
Bro.
The only thing Beyonce will do is just to sing what is already.
Let us say you're ready.
Who are we?
Bro.
They make the job easier. Everyone gets a cut. So now, even on a piano level, there is a guy called the composer. Sometimes you go, come and say, understood. It's lack of understanding. What happens there? I am good with buttons. I can translate what you are saying into keys.
That's art, bro.
So the person or composer is the one who's actually telling you, you are using the wrong drum, take this one, use it this way.
That's me. Ha! Take me to studio, Mchanam, I'll show you.
Composer ke lo yabo.
Yeah.
So now iyayidlala indima enkulu because even when I'm quoting my question, I wouldn't have produced that.
Yeah.
Chances are very high for me to have this intellectual intelligence, yeah, and also have the same mind. You can't imagine because of neka yonke into.
Yeah, bro.
Because that's why kunyanzelekile ontswembi kwintoni makadibane no nobani. Ubani is more doper than, but so they can meet halfway to produce something.
Yeah.
So that's the way we're supposed. I think we have to understand, even no matter how we hate each other, at some point
we need to work
at
with
some
each
point,
other.
bro. No matter how,
Work together,
no matter
bro.
how many years bro I've spent, I mean IT guru, there's someone who's doper than me.
Yeah,
There's
bro.
someone, there's gonna be a simple problem that I cannot fix, that doesn't want even not to be like more complex. Once a very simple thing, I cannot resolve it.
Yo, bro. So when you check the game, like we Bugera, like, because obviously, like you're still not there yet.
Yeah.
So you had a chance to like watch, like, and see, okay, yo, what you can bring to the game and the core, bro. So, what are you gonna bring to the game? Different, like. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah, I do, bro. I do. Bro, uniqueness ibalulekile, ne? And I feel like it also, since izinto zitshintshile, now we make music for TikTok. Get me? So the minute you are in studio saying to yourself, okay, I'm making music so that majority of the people, when it's the first time they see it, they will react. Meaning it's gonna trend, whatever I'm doing. Then my uniqueness is already limited, or I've currently valeleyo because of the technical. No man, I'm in studio. Let me just be me. So I'm not me now. I'm limiting myself to. I want.
You want to do like
yes. Yes. So people will be like, okay, for example, whose song is this? Okay, people. I like to test people when sometimes I post something, I don't mention who it is, and then it's a different sound. It's not the sound that is me giving me my sound technique. That technique I know is boring because it's not understood. I've played my music around here. No one seems to react. I've never stopped and tried to dislocate or try to shift. No, I never stopped that. And I'm not gonna shift because I feel like if I'm losing this uniqueness or I'm trying to ditch out this uniqueness, then the purpose it's no longer love, man. Yeah, it's easy to produce an Afro house. I mean, those sexy songs, man, like Afro beat, Afro pop song. It's very easy. But sometimes there's something that is being taken away from you while you put that brand there. If you talk about marketing and respecting in terms of, let's say you see Oscar Mbo, yeah, and then you see this song is Maskandi. And I'm just making an example, but you know who's Oscar Mbo.
Yeah.
You know the reputation, you know the brand. So I'm not limiting myself, but I'm just staying here only because of love, bruh. I cannot go anywhere else. And I've fallen so much that I understand that I may die not in the place that maybe I want or I see myself in dreams. But as long as every time and moment that I do a song or I release a song, I feel proud not to take it down, because that and
it doesn't matter about
I don't mind, man, bro. I respect them. It's like the same person who comes to me when I preach it. They know what I play. And then there's a particular song that is trending at that time on TikTok. What's that song? Any song, yeah? And then one lady or two ladies will come.
Zap.
Yes. Listen, my guy, I'm an Afro-tech DJ. On this venue, my guy. And then she will come. What I do, they know, no, you are being tested because those ladies are regular of those venues.
Yeah.
And then they will come to you. I'll say, no, don't worry. This person is going to play the song.
Yeah, bro.
I don't want to escalate and say, have you ever seen me play? No. Don't worry, mama. I'll play it, or I'll tell the person who's after me to play it. Simple as that.
Except, does it matter if it, but like udlala what time, like and does it matter? Okay, awukhethe ziphi ingoma, like okay, like for a set yakho.
Two things, bruh. If you can, there are those type of DJs. I'm one of them. I read the room first, but time always matter because I cannot be given. For example, I go play in Rennes. They give me an opportunity to play 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. I don't mind. People are still yes. I don't mind. It's a great opportunity. I will go and play. But now I need to adjust because of the time. People are still coming in, even if there's yes. So I need to adjust from the sound and the speed of the sound, and I usually play when I play on my usual time. I have to adjust and see. Okay, that's why my USBs are always packed, my guy, so that I can have many options as I want. I don't want to struggle and ndingakwazi ndibe ngiqomba andiyiboni ufuna mna bendilungiselele. You are not prepared.
So would you say that's the art of being a DJ?
Yes.
Like to know
To
okay,
read the
what
room.
to play,
Yes.
when to play,
Yeah.
like
Yes, because sometimes ungadlalisa ngexesha lakho mhlawumbi udlala ngo-8. Typically kwenye ndawo sithanda udlaliswa ngo-8, 9, 10 so that they close with amapiano or they continue with we just give an hour. It's 8 o'clock to 9 or 9 to lucky if you will play from 10 to 11. Lucky. Depends. Yeah. So I don't want to encourage people to read the room because sometimes ungadlala ngexesha lakho ne awufika pha you've prepared. You've prepared the whole week. People prepare. But sometimes when you're reading the room, you are actually destroying what you have prepared the whole 2 weeks. You see, happy better call. You've prepared yourself, okay, I'm going to have this set. If I feel like people are not responding, I will take this song and put it here. If I have plan C. You see all those things. And then you figure a crowd. It's response. Great giving. And then you're like, hey, that's when you start thinking out of the book. You're panicking. You're thinking out of the plan is ruined only because of the audience. What if you played the actual thing that you were gonna play? Out of the 10,000 people you are watching, it's okay even if it's 1,000 or 900 or 20 people are dancing. You have been given that hour. They saw your name there. Someone is gonna play better than you and then make them dance after you. It's okay. You've been paid. You've tried. You see, that's the thing. I always punish myself. Like after the event, I always blame myself. Why did I change the plan? Why? Yeah, when I change the plan, the easy response. Get me? The cold response. People start dancing. And I feel like I betray myself.
Talking about betraying yourself, man. Like, can you tell me about the experience you had with the competition you joined? Yeah, Diesel. Is it Diesel or Levi's?
It's a Diesel.
Yeah.
The name Diesel. No, Diesel. It was a wonderful, wonderful journey because once you get to a space without that uncomfortability. That feeling of being uncomfortable is actually, in a way, we are cooler because you don't talk as much. Then so it was a nice feeling, man, because it was a platform in a way to just show the man. In a way, like I was so lucky to even attend. You see, like it.
How did it come about, bro?
It's this thing of go through Instagram, né?
Yeah.
Sometimes now they tell you to in Instagram and Facebook, they tell you to mention a DJ. We're having a competition in Cape Town. Mention a DJ that you would like
to see
on the competition. And then obviously that competition at the time, there's gonna be that one big DJ who's a headliner. It's not gonna be on the competitors, just that we ambassador at the time, we presenter of the competition at the
Who
time.
was the ambassador for?
Who was he? I think it was Taylor Nomshai, I think at the time. I think at the time. Yeah, 2021, I think. So luckily, I don't know what happened. I got people. I think I got more people mentioning my name.
But wasn't Jan like you already play like a Renzi, Nagomasiki?
I do play Komarenz, Sig, now, but that doesn't do anything for me. Like it has never done anything.
For real?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Like
bro.
even now, like it has done nothing for me. I don't mind playing there, given an opportunity, but it has done nothing for me. But somehow,
What do you mean, bro? We'll get back to like you got dizzy like okay. What do you mean it doesn't do anything for you?
Growing wise, bruh, it's not about me wanting a response from the crowd. I'm not that person. I don't see it from that point of view. The point of view that I'm seeing is that I wish there was a structure or a way we had like at least one that we can have a record. Okay, this DJ started from here around the Vegas. At least is gone somewhere. Here, I would say here in Cape Town. I don't want to say because Sizika's needs more language. I would say Cape Town. Squads come each and every year. Yeah, I might skip a year, but squads will come and then Muslim come by. Because I feel like this thing is narrowed, bro. So I wouldn't say me playing at Rens, I'm not grateful. I am. But me playing there doesn't change anything. Like, I'll be taking pictures as a proof of memo that I was there. I will be paid. Fine. But nothing, there's nothing. So in that way, I would. The only thing is, if someone outside Ikapa, okay,
is around
saying to me, okay, someone recommends me look pub when tavern, and then when they see me, then they will be like, oh, Kawazale Rens. Not how many times most you know Rens is big. So okay, I think it can help me in that way. And always go, okay,
some sort of like a CV.
Yeah, that's why EPK, like you said, biography, something goes there. It can only help me, but while I'm still here, it does not, because no one cares about me, but they cannot rent. No one cares.
Yeah, bro.
They don't care. And it's okay for them to not care, because I expect no one to care. Everyone is minding their business. So I feel like there's a lot of pride. There's no structure, but we are not fighting any of that, because we were born in Kunjia. I'm not saying I came to fix, but I wish there was those people who care, who had the power. Just do whatever you like, man. But just do something, whatever. Yeah, well. But yeah, we're okay with it. We are not fighting the system.
So when you say like if the Ngabako at least a one DJ every year who's like moving out like Cape Town, do you mean like in terms of like the growth, career-wise,
progress? Yes, man.
Progress.
Yeah, man. That's what I wish for.
What do you think is holding us for like a Cape Town? Because I feel like it's a lucky when it comes to like the industry, to go like entertainment industry. Hey,
my brother, I think there's a lot, bro. Mindset, bro. I think first thing first, we are resistant to change. It's very hard for us to understand the change and accept it. I say in the way. How do I mean? Yaziwa bekhaleche abantu ndinsuthi namanje into ethile. I have this reputation, so I know when I have this reputation, there's so much. So I have a certain type of people that I have to ignore or not work with, or know about approach. Those are the mindset that we have currently. So when I'm at this level, I know Jembe Suga up, Jilaba, Jembe Nyuka, Sia up. Half of the one is a space in Swag also. I have to ignore them. Or I ignore them. My focus on is forward. And then go Jembe. It's not about Libele, but they play the role for about it gets me. So Jembe role. In my period is not allowing them bamanyuke balandelele emva kwakho. Their speed cannot be your speed. That's the us being narrowed, but we are fixed minded. Xa mna izinto zenzeleka kakuhle andiphinde ndithethe nokwela ngela hlobo enditha ngalo.
Yeah, so a superstar or like
So yeah, it's over to imali yangena and everything. If you're qaphela ngale mali, it's not like yangena. It's a growth. Yeah. Not this growth mna ndicingayo endiyibawelayo. Bethu i-growth I feel like it's coming vision yomuntu. Growth problem ngifuna ubona i-artist ebengike ndahlala nayo so ndiyibona uyadlala ku-Africa band.
Damn, bro.
That's the things endizifunayo.
Then you can say, okay, yeah.
Like, xolile. No, but even if I know you, I cannot reach you. I see you there, you are on the stage. I cannot reach you. As long as unibona, and then I'll say,
you inspire me, my guy.
Ultrasound, those big stages, people, where they take about less than 5 DJs over South Africa. The rest is the international ones. Imagine sharing those stages. So that's the feeling, Napra. Because if you are still here, you are still here with me. Even if you don't see me, I don't have a Mali VIP. It's okay, but I can DTs in Mali VIP and stay next to you. Simple as that. Yeah, simple as that. So the arrogance. It's so inkulu pra such that umndena uzibona a grand, but doesn't even it's like a little bit of economic interview city. When you see yourself ke ngokule ndawo kuyo uqomba hayi man I can afford now. Ukwela, we used to know ukwela xa ebizo kwa radio sibonele for free uyaya ayokwenza interview uyabizwa ngokwapush amyebizo nothing, you get nothing from your radio. The only thing we get from your radio is a very big platform. So now they want you to perform or rap or do whatever art wenza and just share your story so that ezinye intwana esemveni kwakho zikhuthazeke njani. Akasayenzi kwela lonto.
Yo bro, I'm struggling to get the artist to do this thing, bro. The artist about this person still needs the platform, bro. Even if like a platform and followers as 5. Writing along the platform. But like excel ukuzulisela uceba no anko ready. I don't want to do interviews now. No, in future. Bro, it's like
Yo.
Why, bro?
Yo, my guy. Yo, my bro. So that's the structure.
Do you think we need like a media training to a Cape Town, like as an artist as a Cape Town? Because Joseph indlela abapusha ngayo neDurban.
But besides media training, I would say, yeah, it will be training, but I feel like the more we associate ourselves with people who have the mindset already right, that will be our training. Because we need to go to school. Because we are you know what not to do. The only thing, if you know that Cape Town is doing bad compared to Josie or compared to why don't you associate with yourself? Try to make a contact. However, if you have to go there and meet those people, create whatever so that you can come back with the same mindset. Now, so that and see, hey, bro, I can even tell you now. Yeah, around in Kailech, I say, yeah, in Kailech, it's very rare to see 2 or 5 producers in one room, in one commute. One producer or
is it
3 producers at least, there's gonna be this one Crochet, which is a composer, then be chronology indlebe yakhe icwembu yabo. 3 vocalists. You see those things they udlala mthukzini onto bayenzayo. Have a studio camp.
Yeah, bro.
Or imagine umculo lophuma apha mfethu. Their management is there. When a vocalist is in the management yayo.
Like umsebenzi kubo le way, bro. Like it's like it's a 9 to 5 work. Like
rule into enziweyo pha create ingoma and then kunqokolo in terms of splitting. Okay, album kabani le. Okay, what will you do in return? Okay, your vocalist anamali, kwani producer anamali, but your vocalist iyayithanda le beat. So how can we arrange it? Ibhalwe phansi, contract yenziwe yaphuma ingoma. Ubani uzokuphusha ingoma, ubani masters zakhe. All of those things. Ukubona kwenza ntoni la
Every day, bro.
We can't do that, Tina, but we are not even known. Asaziwa, bro. We don't exist in the world. We do like the way we do like, exist, but we have so much arrogance, people, that we cannot even stay in one chair. Tavern, you one desk, one VIP. We don't like each other, people. I'm waiting for you to step on my toes, man.
Damn.
Imagine that attitude, bro.
Damn, bro.
So yeah, bro. And then we will come you know, almost you feel free. So, you are gonna uzamkhila
ufumana ibooking eyi-1 eJoburg ukhwela iflight xa ubuya awusathethi nabanye abantu.
It's okay.
That time nalo booking you didn't get paid eJoburg. Like,
and then some of us, we are okay with that, because the only thing that makes me so reserved, bro, is the love, my brother. Like, I've seen so many DJs over the years that I've been calling them. They only get booking once, twice a month. They still
because they love what they're doing.
Impelling ezinye ke ngozincame uqombe powerful way ngapha energy ngapha mindset ngapha enye ngayibona inqabile man ngibele igama layo inqabile amana DJ tipa DJ wenze njalo ubani ndiyazibuza ngaphakathi I don't comment easy ke mina ubani hey yavela la tsothi sithi kuse isematyaleni icela uncedo icela ibookings clean nje kanjalo because umjitha iDJ and uyayishaya ingoma mtswembu uqhoma phone sign bayamamela guys kunje nakanje phinde yabuyela on track tsotsi within a month or two phinde wabuyela mjitha because wayene imoto enentoni because awufuna sibhadela otherwise izawuthathwa and amanje ayarenda pha yabo. I don't want to say akuduru ngapha but kuyafana because lifestyle is fun.
So sohlulwa yintoni thina ukwenza into ezinjalo?
Vele ngingahleka abantu ngenza lo noma hayi yo mfethu athi hayibo ubana lo aphambene no laqale bayiseka lapha mfethu yo laqalela yo my bro. So yeah man, see lezo mindset, but there's something I like about Cape Town.
Yeah,
that broke everything. Like I couldn't be thinking yam. That's why when I talk about the house and as much as the industry yomculo hip hop don't. Hip hop is, guys, whoever is doing whatever is doing. Yeah, in Cape
Town, hip hop. Yo, bro, like I see TikTok, TikTok, like and one about TikTok. Yes.
Big ups, the love, the movement. You are guys.
But they don't wanna do interviews, bro. Like no one is interviewing them, bro.
That I won't say it's arrogant, ne?
Yeah.
Andizukuthi mhlambi ba umuntu usuka because uyakwazi uba nembeko umuntu okhuliswe kwada. So i-background doesn't necessarily matter. Uxhomeke umuntu ba ubelieve ntoni nje besemdala, yabo. So asizothi mhlambi umuntu osuka into ethile, hayi chances of yena ufike kule ndawo ngokuba ungekho kuyo okanye intsha kuwe. Ingabe yakuthusa. Do you need therapy ngayo? Because I feel like fame is much like a virus or a disease or something you need to treat. Yeah, it needs to be yoyikayo. Enga understand why. Not that bayoyika. Sometimes I feel say about arrogant.
I don't think about arrogant.
I think
they're scared, bro.
Yeah, because now top level they are
scared to say into is wrong.
That will get them more down.
Yeah,
yeah. I get it. So some of them think that way. Some of them think, okay, you are still a loser. So I don't wanna come to. That's how. Yeah. So
you are still building. I don't wanna build with you.
So mindset is quite which is easy one, but that's the only genre when you wanna pick up in the Zealand swim like the unit. Guys, bother correct if I'm wrong, but I feel like in the Zealand, bra.
Going back to like we got diesel,
yeah. Okay, diesel, and then some way I got in. And then there was a friend of mine called House Guru, who's from Strand, and me, who else? Another friend of mine called Yaya was there. The fourth friend did not come, if I'm not mistaken, and then that's when they scheduled there. There's Yaya, there's Yaya.
Oh.
Then and then we went there to pre-record this day. uba izinto iba izawudlala. I think we went there Thursday ngolwesithathu, and then uba izawuba live ke ngolwesihlanu. And then for us to get a chance to talk to people, but guys, this is how you vote. These are the links and don't. I don't wanna lie, peace section now, like big ups, like banvotela because udlala ingoma ithile, udlala iset ethile, show votes, iyaqinisa la uyipha.
Like while you playing,
while I'm playing, but they know that we pre-record, because if we see recorded la hlobo izawuba ingasiba right.
yeah.
Abantu bayadantsika nasemisebenzini, abanye bayazama olate batidiza bra bayisemani makavotele ntonto mile ke mna ke mindset yami emtayimdaka wasiko jaba lo late yes ngosi ndigqibile ke sayigqibile udlala.
Yeah.
So wayigqibile udlala ke ngoku gqibela uyeke ngoku yo ithi hayo late.
Yeah.
Atole nginto nto yo late nje lo mntu lo.
Yeah.
Late hayi man wena wethu suba negative nini mama. Not that I'm negative, I'm being realistic. This guy is very dope.
Yeah.
Besides the votes and stuff or anything behind, this guy is dope.
Don't you think it's because of like he winner because of he was already known? Like I feel like in a way
it can have impact a positive long, bro.
Yeah.
Because catalog reputation when it comes to music, not only for DJing, when it comes to sound, event making, creating like event organizer, i-street bash nathi sifunde kubo mfethu nje besikwazi uzenza ingawo uqala uzenza before thina. And then nabo bafunde kwabanye abantu bra bathatha la information because umshabe besenza ezweka apha ku-A eparking senza iwe ezinkulu 31st ayisaziwa mfethu. Ayisazi yo bro bethu zibethe la wenza so tazilibele bazibizwa ntoni but and then xa ziyeka zona ke ngona sikickstarter ke thina apha yabo mina sikickstarter sithatha apha kulo manje sikhomba manje sayeke la ntoni le. But you know, babe nenye vision ke ngwantoni i-rands at that time. We didn't know it at that time, but we wanted to qhubekekisa into thina. We were not aware baba beyeke la ntoni nje, and then ikhona into ababeyijonge. And then we sathathela nathi manje sizenzela njalo njalo nabanye ngapha kwezinye lapha ekhasi basithathela benza then we ended up ngayevula i-rands hayi everything shut down. Once I think it's 2014-15 rand. Then we were like, no guys, can't be keeping spending money because we can't compete with these people, so we have to just understand and just join them instead. Yeah.
But going back to Landra Diesel, did you know about like is gonna win?
But I knew only because catalog bro. That was the thing that was like he has to win because he's dope. You don't fight it.
That's dope. The fact that you like
I'm trying to accept it. Like, while I was talking to Oli Clam, I was trying to accept it at the time. I already accepted it, but I'm trying to tell him, well, and the chief isn't it? Just keep on saying people must vote, but this is what is gonna happen. This guy's gonna take this thing. He's gonna win from here, Cape Town. I want better pages. That's what happens. Exactly. So
that guy is dope, ne?
Can't be bra.
Give me your top 5 of Kailage.
You now okay like
you could the top 5 of Kailage.
Oh, fetu. Yo, bafo. Nzima nombuzo wakho fetu. Nguye fetu.
Number 1.
Yeah. Just being fetu. See fetu. Sive from
and number 1 Sive yeah number 1
yeah Sive yeah umuntu wesithathu khona enye awuthiwa ngumthandazo idlala sick nayo idlala style ska Sive hip hop like anything R&B ntoni versatile. And then the last 2 is going to be very difficult. I have to include myself. I have to include myself. Then it's all given when it comes to mixing, timing. Always when it comes to time, it's like Denzel Washington.
Ne?
Please listen to his set live. Besides the those ones that's far away, go hear this as the audio sensing into just go watch him live. You'll see what I'm saying. And alone, don't disrupt.
Yes, and so like I think a sick lounge.
My bro, timing by inzima by timing, like he knows when, why. I think in terms of planning, He's one of the good people. That's the result of who was in time. No, but he doesn't compromise.
Yeah.
He doesn't, okay, boni crowd ithini, ba hayi kwathiwa cima yena uyayibhala inantsika i-folder of the track list azoyinantsika uba Sick Lounge. Ndiyazazi ngizodlala i-Sick Lounge. I'm not a resident. I'm gonna play once. Rands Cape Town on the date of what. That means ubhukhiwe. Uyayazi from 1 to 10 uzodlalela. And uyayipractice la way.
Damn,
before like yo bra sihlala naye la practice ibona bebayenza le way. Yabo la muntu azoyenza la nje mesayembukela uzoyenza la way.
That guy he takes himself so serious.
Yo man bro uyayenza la way bra.
So no Mshai with top 5 yo
otherwise I have so much love for everyone, man. There's a lot of, that's why I'm saying if I say yeah, it's almost like I'm saying shy.
Yeah,
it's the same thing because it's the same blood in terms of music, friendship, all of that, like hustling. When I say yeah, it's the same blood. So I didn't want to just say people of the house or home. I wanted to like up on the according to personality, character, not like personal because I don't much know them personally, but I know them from what they are wanting us as fans to know.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Because Umdu might be rude personally, which is we're okay with that because we are not seeing low on the team. Siyibona lento afuna siyibona, which is media indlela aziphatha ngayo. Awumbona physical okay yakubantu akuseya salo
so indlela bamova ngayo manje
that's why ngikhetha ngelo hlobo character asibona man like i-picture yakho that you are painting with iyahlala kum and then nendlela oziphetha bra so ngikhetha kanjalo ngikhethe mhlawumbe oko like mixing wise and playing which starts up if ke ngubuthe kum which afro according to which genre then I would specify
okay let's say like not Ikaili Chaka, like let's say all over the world. Give me your top 5 like over DJs, yeah. Oh, yes, black coffee.
Yeah, it's compulsory.
Shrimps, okay, it's fine.
It's compulsory, no. Yeah, and Problem Child, bro. There's a guy called Problem Child. Yeah, Problem Child. He's a living legend, my guy. And then obvious Takabo. Include Takabo, yeah, Takabo. Last one, there's a guy who's pushing, he's from Kailija.
Yeah.
But now, I see something very good when I follow his page. There's a guy called Demza Beats. That guy, I love the energy. I so wish him a very long journey because I see a long journey from even now. He's traveling, that nigga, and I always applaud him. We're friends on Facebook, all over his social media. Always, when I see something nice happening, I say, Fetu, keep your head up. Anything that is negative, take it as a positive energy that will increase the fuel that you have. More love, Fetu. Whoever is supporting you, Shalakuye.
What does he play?
Afrotech, baby.
Yeah.
Afrotech. The nigga is dope, man. And because coping with Mango to your playlist and go on Spotify, playlist on imagine it. Yo, is doing such amazing things like I don't feel any less. I feel like hey bro, if you are there, I'm there.
That's dope, Njaya.
At least you are there, I'm there. Because you had the way to go there. Maybe I won't have a way. Maybe I will have a way, but slower. Because the time period doesn't ayizikwazi ulingana yabo but mina nje fela nje uba ukwazi ukuya pha ukwazi uphuma ukufika country for me we are big.
So if you were to meet Hotman Black Coffee, bro, what would you say to him?
Nah, bro, I won't even give him a USB from him to get attention. I won't even try to get attention. The only thing I would say, keep on doing what you're doing. Stay the same. Then I'll leave. Yeah, maybe I would ask to take a picture if you have a but the only thing I would say, please stay the way you are. You are dope, an icon, and then I'll leave. Then I'll be done.
Ne?
change kanja akho nto banzofuna ntoni kuye next nazi fethu.
Why not though?
Because I feel like I can namphosa parents last time I wayela parents because yeah, I had the issues but I could hear the sound from here, man. Hear the sound. Okay, now the person who's playing
Mdlala icon yami ngoku.
bruh. Yo, your kids yeah ingaka the phone yeah, but hey bafu. But okay, luckily some years back I think I say Shimi. Yeah, I say it's the Shimi.
Shimmy Beach.
Yeah. Went there. I was the first time seeing the nigga like from a very small distance. Yeah, I see man, when you're not that tall most because I'm tall also. Not that tall, but the TV but yeah, maybe more teachers are shorter than him.
How is his energy, bro?
Yo, my problem.
Yeah, ngathi icon.
Oh,
You know nginika la vibe, bro. I'm a superstar.
My bro, it's very hard. People wanna benze ngathi easy la way. Kawunguwa abantu abangaka my bro.
Yeah.
Half of the people don't even know. Not like we have to but my bro, one energy in like this amount of space. White people, brown Indian. Yes, bro, and then there's but oh, bro, go make la mas tayo ngati lula le way. Extend they have 16 plates or kind of 8 plates of text. Kala pa yo chopa. Then this guy is like
Ke sale si one ja ya.
Upholile lo muntu is like wo hey lo muntu lo akayiboni nese guy then thina sibone yini but I understand sometimes when you're doing something it's like ukhola la adrenaline yenze guy it's like awuqhuma and then igazi lakho lishushu you won't even recognize if you have a cut while igazi lakho liblock li boiler yeah so I feel like it's the same thing adrenaline is getting used to it so much that you're not even aware. You can be only aware of what dope set I did. Like yeah, was I this polite? You took. But I think maybe getting used to it, like it's they make it seem easy. Look at Chinza when they do those things, right? Playing for a crowd of 10,000, even more, even way more. I don't even know how and the island when's they are making us see move, I
feel you, Jam. I feel you. So, like, if we call like Dufet who's watching this now and is seeing you for the first time,
yeah.
What would you like them to take away from you, like?
Oh, well, take away from me, ne?
What would you like? What would you say they would like? Indone abanoi. Indone anoithanda ufuna like umuntu like oqala ukubona ayithande ngawe okanye ayinotice ngawe, bro. Like let's say you're trying to win a fan now.
Okay. But I think you too. Please never betray your plans or how you feel for someone next to you. Please don't compromise because being able to betray yourself, you are showing yourself you don't value yourself much. And then imagine you don't like sense one. Coming from outside, it's gonna be even worse. But if you are able to not to have that guard, okay, I was balola for this betray. For example, you have a plan or a goal, doesn't have to be teaching. You have a plan and then you answer the plan. Yeah, challenges will be there. But you are the first one to betray yourself if you're gonna change the plan or you'll be like because I see like there's no motion or movement or the movement is very slow, then you always betray it. Then betray, I think it's always gonna be it's easy for you to receive it. You'll be okay with it. It's okay for you to be okay with it, but as long as you are okay with yourself, then there's nothing that can going on when you destroy. So I feel like abandon time that allowed those things are the people who say, okay, for example, ask me, Uchi, up here, why do you have anxiety? That theme of having anxiety. When I'm to Galelo Lando, my anxiety, yeah, but call influence panelists. people who are highly influencing me, friends, family, whoever, but they have no authority more than me. That's the only thing ngasumntu ayazi uba noba wenza ntoni kweyiphi field, kweyiphi industry. Just know that when you are yourself, I'm not saying be selfish. Just be you. Love yourself enough, but nothing will ever overcome you. Nobody into enough. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be a challenge. Because it took other people 40 years to reach to where we want. Because now I haven't reached because I have challenges. But it took, so that's the only thing. I think then when you are at that level, you will be not chasing happiness, and happiness will be chasing you. Simple as that.
So people should love you for that.
Please,
for being you.
yeah.
Like that's dope, bro.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, Jaya. Thank you for inviting me, Faith, man.
Yeah.
This was actually a dope conversation, you know.
Yeah.
Even though I feel like we didn't like speak
Go deep.
more about you. Like,
Yeah.
we spoke about the music and a lot, like, and also like the game and challenges of the game, you know. But I feel like it was needed, bro. Like,
very much, man. Very much.
Like industry to fail to like I feel like see Cape Town, Jaya. Yeah, bro. So we need to talk about it, and then also like we need to be the ones like push our faith. Okay, yeah, cool, the faith, yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, man, for allowing us space and stuff. I know, bro. Like we said, science, grand, and you were so patient, bro. Like I appreciate the way, because I'm fuck it, let's go seriously. I go seriously. I in Kalika.
Yeah, it was a jolly. I know, man. As a guys, we know, but okay, challenges on a corner, so only way in Gwazi was the first step because you overcome a problem.
Yeah.
If I'm the first step to try and overcome it, call in Paul and relax. Okay, try to understand. I'm sure there's a reason why ungakwazi again. You don't any problem. I go and fit. The next 2 minutes is there. Tomorrow, next whatever. I'm always there as long as I'm available. I think the world can be a better place. I think, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Esithubeni.
Man, Esithubeni. Yeah.